Hello my friends! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I was working a lot about the ideas, what should I post here. I just wanna post something new for you guys and also the useful that can help you make really great routine in the Flair and for sure make a good tips. Today I wanna explain the bottles and the shakers I'm using for the Flair. Also I will show you some cool tricks with them and breaking down step by step how I do that, okay? But before I will show you, subscribe my channel, like this video, make some comments, what would you like to see from me next, okay? And let's start! First guys, the most important thing, the shaker, yeah? So, I'm using this beautiful orange tin by the Piazza brand. Yeah, and I can say now that's my favorite. The first time I have seen this tin in the United Kingdom, a lot of famous bartenders using this tin. The tin is actually super big, yeah, and first of all you must touch it, you must hold it in your hand and then you understand. Is it your or no? For me it's good and yeah, I'm feeling good in my hands even with the finger rolling. I can do the more spins and more confidence with the small tin, but with this one I'm feeling better. Love this color really as well, the color is great. Quality so high, the tin is not the soft, you see it's solid, really solid one, and yeah, that's great, I love that. And about the bottle, the first bottle I'm practicing right now, it's a Gawana Club bottle guys. The normal Gawana Club, I'm just putting my sticker here. The bottle has a really fit bottle. Yeah, this is super great for me because I'm using some finger rolling, and this is the great as well because the bottle is heavy and it's training my muscles on the fingers as well. I can't break this bottle even on the hard floor, yeah. You can see some bottles from me that I'm using already. Look at this one, you see, and yeah, and this is still alive. So the bottle is still alive. Yeah, and for sure, as I promised to you, I will show you some tricks with the bottles as well. First show you, then break it down. So what I'm doing here guys, look, I'm just taking the bottle by the straight grip, using my thumb and all the fingers in this side, you see, and I do the reverse like that, so like that, and do just a reverse thumb roll in the horizontal position, not the straight, in the horizontal position. This is the first step. And then look guys, I'm just turning my hand here and catching the bottleneck, that's it. The trick just looks great and so easy to make. Yo, so the next one, it's a working Flair guys, and for the working Flair my choice is Monin. The Monin is a really great bottle, also with the really beautiful design. When you're snatching the Monin bottle, or especially when you do two snatchings one by one, the sound is amazing, really, I love that. Yeah, and the bottle also great, the bottle has a really long neck, so comfortable to make some of the finger rolls as well. And actually, yeah, I'm using the Monin sometimes in the exhibition Fair, but it's so hard to find here, probably just in Russia, but if you have the chance to find them, go for it and use these bottles for the practice. New Bacardi one. Yeah, the bottle has a also fit body, not a short neck, but it's so easy to break. This is the great for the practice, especially the finger rolls. If you drop it even on the rubber mats a few times like that, your neck can be broken. But anyway, if you have a chance to find them a lot, just take it and practice. The Malibu Bottles guys. The Malibu Bottles is awesome and there is almost unbreakable as well as a Gawana Club. I got these bottles I think already 2 years ago. I'm practicing with them, but they're still alive, you see. This kind of the bottles I'm using for the 3-4 bottles routine. and there are also some for the juggling, but recently I'm not juggling, but if you're juggling you can use them as well. So the bottles have a great balance and they're flying good. That's super great to make some double moves like this one, or maybe like this one, like this one. So, and with them I've decided to show you some move as well. So look, this is also the basic move. You can use it wherever you want, but you will impress the people when you show them. So first I show you. Yeah, this is just a normal double stall, but looks great. So what I'm doing, guys, first you must have the throwing over the shoulder by my right hand. If you're left-handed, do it with the left, and just catch to the bottles to the other hand. So in my way it's a left hand, yeah, doing with the one hand only, throwing from right and catching to the balance to the left. And when you got it, you just take the bottle to the other end, and when you throw over the shoulder, just put this bottle to the right and catch that one to the left. So once again, 1, 2, easy. 1, 2, easy one. Also, I love the Stoller bottles because the Stoller is amazing for the finger rolls, especially the old bottle. So if you have the old ones, use that for sure. And now I will show you the best practice Flair bottle that you can use everywhere. They are unbreakable. And this is the Fly bottle, guys. So actually I have the tin as well and the bottle. So I just got this bottle and this tin a few days ago. I think it's been 2 days ago. Yeah, and I'm with love with this product, really. I'm really enjoy to hold it in my hands, you know. First of all, look at this design. The bottle looks amazing, really. And the second part, this is the bottle unbreakable. And about the tin, guys, the tin is also with a good quality. It's also the hard metal. This is the tin, a really small one. You can hear that snatch as well, look. It's like from the glass bottle, you know. Yeah, the bottle is so great, guys. And also, I want to show you the next one. What's the difference between them? This one is soft one, you see? So guys, sometimes I'm going to film my video in the public places. Usually I'm using the glass bottles or I'm using just a normal plastic bottle. But if you drop it, the glass bottle definitely break. The normal plastic bottle make a noise. Probably some security can come to you and kick your ass. And with this bottle, guys, it's absolutely okay because this one, even if they drop, look, it's drop without the noise, you see? So this is the super great, and also you can do some moves with that, the same moves, you know, absolutely the same. Some booms, stalls, taps, rolls, everything you want, guys. For me, it's to make some really great tricks, bouncing from the floor, and do some videos with these bottles in the public places. And yeah, you can get all the stuff from the Fly bottle shop using my promo code Flair and getting the -10% discount from all the basket you will take from Fly bottle shop. That was my pleasure to share with you my favorite bottles and tins and some tricks as well. Thanks for watching me. Follow my Instagram page, there I post a lot of huge videos, and follow my TikTok, there I post some fun video as well. And bye bye, see you in the next video, guys.